Welcome to the channel, everybody. So we're definitely in the dog days of summer. We're getting highs in the mid 90s just about every day now, which is typical for us here in North Texas. So let's see how the heat is impacting the transplants from the beginner gardening series. Let's take a look. Okay, like I said, the heat is definitely set in. It is having an impact on the plants, I believe, especially the tomatoes. I did water these just a few minutes ago. I gave them some fertilizer, a water-soluble fertilizer, and if you want a link to that, it's in the comments. But still getting blooms, and I got a couple of tomatoes down here on the Celebrity Determinate tomatoes, but I believe the heat is preventing them from turning the blossoms into fruit, which is what they do. So I'm just going to keep with it. I can move these into the shade if I need to. I'm not sure that's going to have a great impact because I mentioned before in my previous videos that this fence blocks the western sun in the afternoon, which is the hottest sun. So I think they're okay. But as far as that goes, but the air temperature is so hot that it's doing what it's supposed to do, conserve energy. And so I'm not sure how many tomatoes we're going to get, but all you can do is hope for the best at this point. The grape tomatoes, our indeterminate tomato plant, is still growing tall. Again, we do have grape tomatoes on here. These down here, we got a truss of here and here, so they're producing, but again the leaves are folding up some because of the heat. The peppers aren't being impacted too much yet. We got a whole bunch of baby bell peppers here, snack of bells. Same on this one. I'm eager. I haven't harvested any of these yet, but I'm eager to see how these taste. Jalapenos are growing. You can see there's a cluster of them down there, and there's a bunch that baby ones growing. Same on this one. It's got some small peppers on it, and I don't know how many it will do, but again, we just keep watching it. Shishito peppers, tons of peppers on this thing. I'm just letting them grow. You can see it's full in here of shishito peppers. Haven't picked any yet. I'm kind of waiting to see if they'll start to turn red. And the cubanelles, I got a few cubanelles growing. These are big peppers, so I'm going to let them grow until hopefully they start to change color. I like to see a red one or an orange one. And yeah, these will last all summer, hopefully, as the other peppers. So the tomatoes are really the ones I'm worried about at this point with the heat. So I do have something munching on here. I have found, if you watch my previous update videos on these plants, the last two videos that I made, I did find some worms on this Celebrity tomato here. Not on this one, but on this one. And the leaves were rolled up, and there was a worm inside of that. And they have been munching. This leaf right here is curled pretty good. I just checked it, and there's nothing in there, but they're curling up like that because of the heat. So anyway, that's where we are with this. I'll just keep putting water on there as much as I can, and we will see how they prevail. I'm encouraged by the jalapenos there, and the snack of bells peppers, and the shishitos. I mean, they're going to town really based on the limited fertilizer that they've been getting. Again, this soil was not amended with anything, so we're doing the very, very basic test here. So, and but when it cools down, I'm going to do another experiment just like this, similar plants, if not the same, and I'm going to amend the soil like I normally do, my regular mix that I make, and we're going to see how that turns out. Then we can compare the two and see how much a difference that makes. All right, so that's going to do it for this video, this update. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next video.